Hi. Thanks again for registering with us and welcome to Hauzd, the easiest way to create interactive 3D real estate presentations. I'm going to show you how to start creating your first project. The goal of this video is to show you all aspects of the engine for you to achieve great results faster than ever, without coding experience and with maximum compatibility between all devices. Depending on the industry you came from, you may have some good experience in some of the themes we're going to go through. But we recommend you to see all the tutorials and practice with them so you can be ready to produce as soon as possible. Let's get into it. What should you request from your client before starting? There's a checklist of information you need to have from your client. The link should be in this mail for you to download. Most important things are CAD files, logos, address, renders, brochures, website, and all visual references. The more you have, the easier it will be for you to develop an app that meets the requirements of your client. And more important, useful for a long-term period. Let's begin inspecting our administration panel. You can access it with any browser using admin.hauzd.com, and log in with your Hauzd account. There, you will have all your management tools for your project. You can create your project, edit information, get you app keys, modify social links and images, add collaborators, edit pricing list and unit status, see all traffic statistics for your finished and published app, and manage your licensing info and payments. Once you have installed and you're logged with Hauzd Edit app, you can start working in the projects you have already created in the admin page. You will have two windows. The log windows where you can see a feedback about your imported assets and processes such as light bake and build statistics. If there is any issue importing an asset, this is where you will check exactly what is causing the error. The architecture window is where you will configure all your app. Drag and drop your scenes, assets, images and preview it in available devices using button Run. In order to use your files and scenes in our engine, they must meet our requirements. First of all, the geometry must be optimized correctly using low poly techniques. Unlike other rendering workflows, our app will run a real-time rendering process, and you, as a 3D developer, need to make sure your app will run smoothly in all available devices. We will open our example project and see how you can benchmark your scene. You need to consider three pillars when you are in the 3D production process. The amount of objects must be less than 500. The amount of tris must be between 150,000 to 250,000 but avoid using more than 210,000. The materials must be grouped in multi-sub-materials and the maps should be texture atlas with a 2048 by 2048 maximum size. These texture maps must be using power of 2 texture sizes. We will learn more about this 3D production process in the next tutorials, but if you don't want to wait, you can get right into it using our help desk site to find all videos and documentation. Hauzd engine can handle big master plans, floor plans, key plans and units with thousands of polys without any problem. But consider that each scene will add up to your package size, therefore, bigger download times and more storage space needed to host the app. To achieve a great visual quality, our engine needs to bake all the lighting info. You'll need to create a separate UV channel in your 3D objects, use the bake tags, and run the command bake. After the process is done, you will notice a great improvement in your scene. You can add more features to your project such as image renders, Measurements. Map points of interest. Divide your map into zones. Top aerial view. And more. You can also customize most of the aspects of the UI to create your client and unique experience with their own logos, icons and interface. For this you'll need Adobe Illustrator to create vector graphics. And use our template to export the PNG assets in the right sizes and names. To make your app a breathing selling machine, you will need to customize your unit prices and availability using your admin page. This will synchronize automatically with your application. And you can add the real estate developer as collaborator to edit it whenever it's necessary. The last part of the production process is to make your app online. Right now you are most likely in your 30 days trial. You can use this time to learn and use our engine, get to know all features, and get ready to present to your client. In order to publish your project, you'll need to get the subscription. And when you are done with the production process, it's time to publish. With one click the Hauzd cloud will prepare all the assets for all different platforms and devices. When this process is finished, you'll receive your unique projects link that you can deliver to your client. Anyone from anywhere can access this link on any available device. Creating your first project is as simple as it sounds. We will get more technical in the next videos and explain more detailed every step of the process. So get ready to impress your clients with the ultimate 3D sales solution for real estate. See you in the next videos.